Topic 18, Electric Charge. Part 1, Law of Electric Charges. A stationary electric charge that is built up on the surface of a material is called static electricity. Two kinds of charges, positive and negative. After being rubbed, a plastic ruler, this one here, can attract paper scraps. I'm sure many of you have tried it. Ruler carries electric charge. It exerts electric force on paper. This charging method is called charging by friction. The interaction between static electric charges is called electrostatics. Where do charges come from? We all know that matter is made up of atoms, and here's the structure of an atom with electrons on the outside. In the nucleus we have protons and neutrons. Charges are measured in coulombs, in capital C. When you put this many electrons together, they will give you 1 coulomb of negative charge. Likewise, if you put this many protons together, they will give you 1 coulomb of positive charge. The charge of 1 electron is negative 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. In an object, if there are equal numbers of electrons and protons, then that object is neutral overall. If there are more electrons than protons, the object has gained some electrons and its overall charge is negative. If there are more protons than electrons, the object has lost some electrons and therefore it has positive charge. A very important idea. 1 or 2 electrons can be removed from an atom by rubbing with relative ease. We cannot touch the protons or the neutrons inside the nucleus. Rubbing 2 pieces of materials against each other does not create electric charges. It just transfers electrons from one material to another. When a balloon rubs against a piece of wool, here's wool, some electrons are pulled from the wool to the balloon. The balloon has more electrons than usual, so the balloon is negatively charged, and the wool, lacking electrons, is positively charged. Insulators are materials that don't allow electrons to flow through them easily. Insulators can be easily charged by friction, as the extra electrons gained cannot easily escape. Conductors are materials that allow electrons to flow through them easily. Conductors cannot be easily charged by friction or by rubbing, as the extra electrons gained can easily escape.